This workout is called machine assembly. It's going to be divided into 3 5-minute blocks. In each 5-minute block, you're going to work in 1-minute increments. The first block is going to be renegade rows with the push-up. You're going to do 5 renegade rows plus the push-up, and then rest for the remainder of that minute and complete that for 5 minutes. The second block of 5 minutes is going to be 8 forward lunges with the dumbbells, and then 6 alternating shoulder presses. Complete that in 1 minute, rest the remainder, and repeat that for 5 minutes. So 5 iterations of that block. And then block 3 is going to be 10 double dumbbell swings. Once you're done, rest for the remainder of the minute, and again, repeat that every minute for 5 minutes. So this total workout is 15 minutes. I'll show you what 1 round of each block looks like now. So block 1, renegade rows plus a push-up. You're doing 5 of these within a minute, and then resting the remainder of that minute. So that would be 1. 2. That's 3. 4. That's 5. And then you would rest for the remainder of whatever time you have left in that first minute. Repeat that for 4 more minutes. That's block 1. Block 2 is going to be 8 lunges, forward lunges with the dumbbells, and then 6 alternating shoulder press per block. Here's what that looks like. Again, trying to stay tall. Just get the momentum going with these lunges here. Holding the dumbbells right at your sides. And then from here, you're going to clean the dumbbells up. So you're doing 3 total presses per side, 6 in total, alternating. And then that would be the end of 1 minute. You would rest for the remainder of that minute, and then repeat that for 4 more minutes for block 2. And then block 3 is going to be 10 double dumbbell swings per minute for 5 minutes. Here's what that looks like. And then again, you would rest for the remainder of that minute and repeat that 4 more times. For the double swings, try to keep the dumbbells held together. If you let them get apart, it starts to become a wild ride, so I suggest holding the dumbbells together. Again, this workout is called machine assembly. It's 15 total minutes broken into 5-minute blocks, 3 of those 5-minute blocks.